Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I'm just going to the column MD12 which I just created a little bit ago, and I'm just creating another div here. Well, I think I don't need to create a div here. I'm just creating the table directly. Okay, adding the class here, table, and going inside and just creating the t head. And inside this t head I'm just creating the tr, and inside this tr I'm just creating some kind of th. We need the s.no, the serial number, duplicate the product code. Code means the barcode item or something. Product image, duplicate product description, product unit, duplicate product cost, product price, and available quantity. Okay, the available quantity. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the table here looking really perfect. So what more I'm just going to do is to just creating the t body. Okay, and here just creating the tr, and inside this tr I'm just creating the td, and this should be the one. Duplicate here, I'm just setting the product code 1020 whatever, the product code, the barcode actually. And then here we have to add the image. I'll add the image later on, but right now I'm just setting the description for the first product. I'm just adding the description as the tasty chocolate. Anything you can add, to, or just tasty chocolate is over. Duplicate, and then the unit is QTY. Okay, the unit is QTY. The unit can be kg, QTY, LT, or GM, MG, whatever. Now here, after the quantity, the unit, the product cost, the product cost is 800, and the product, wait for a while here, the product cost is 800 and the product price is 900. It means we are just getting 100 per product of this tasty chocolate, and the available quantity is 80. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is the first product we've added here. Just simply copy this tr and update this one here one time more. Now this should be 2, this should be 3. Now save and refresh. Now these are some products I've added, but something more we need to do is to go to the table, and the table bordered. Okay, now save and refresh. Now all these things has a border and adding in a space, and then what I'm just doing here, the table spelling stripped. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now it's stripped now and looking really perfect. Now what more I need to add there is the click there. Wait, here is it is the title, so I'm just going there to the tr and adding the class of the table head. Okay, now actually the table head is not the bootstrap class, so I'm just going to the style.css. I'm just creating, or actually designing, the class. Here I'm adding an enter, and then the table head, and the value I'm just putting as background the maroon again. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now this is a maroon color I've been applied. The color should be white. Save and refresh. Now this is what I just created, looking not bad, actually perfect. What more I need to do is to go to the index.html, and then here I'm just duplicating and just typing action. Okay, actions, actually duplicate duplicate and duplicate. So now here for the first one, what I'm just doing here is just creating a button, a div. Okay, now here I just want to create the drop down, and inside this drop down, first of all, wait, I'm just rectifying the things here. Now inside this drop down, first of all, I need to create the button, okay, which I'm just creating now. button button, and here I'm adding some kind of specific classes. So which class I'm just adding here? I'm adding the right now I'm adding the BDN, and then BDN danger. Then here I'm just typing action, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now the action button is there, looking perfect. Well, if I just add, instead of this danger button, if I just add the primary, I just want to see the difference. Now the primary is not looking perfect, the danger is more perfect, so it should be danger. Refresh. Now danger is perfect looking. Now add any space and add the span here, span, and then the class of caret. Save and go to the browser and refresh. The caret is there. Now if I just click there, I just need to get the whole data, the whole drop down, but I just still didn't create the drop down, so I'm just going to create that as well, adding an enter and creating the UL first, and inside this the li, and here the a and hyperreference, and cover this one. Okay, everything is going fine, and here I'm just adding the hash, and here what I'm just adding is the product details. Okay, edit products, edit details, or edit product details, whatever. Edit product. Okay, now the print details, and then the delete product. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now all these things are here, but actually I just don't want these things as this, like that. So I'm adding the specific class here, the drop down menu, and then the main important thing is to add the data toggle and the drop down. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now click there, and I'm getting the drop down details here, looking perfect, but actually I have to scroll the screen to see the whole details, which is not a perfect thing. So how to manage that? I'm going there and just need to add pull right. Save means pull the things right. Now if I just click there, you can see that it's starting from this hand. If I just refresh, now click there, now it's starting from the right hand, and actually it's in the screen and looking really perfect. I'm clicking on the notepad, and actually what I'm just doing, just simply copying this TD, the whole TD, and pasting there. Okay, and doing the same with this one. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now we got the button here, the action button here, and working perfectly, the action button. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.